16 missed calls. Sorry I was busy, but I missed you. If you see me ballin' in my pitch ball, my niggas ballin'.
Ciao. Ciao. So telling me you're not gonna waste my time. Show me diamond, but pressure bust pipe. What's up, seashells? It's Shelby and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is sponsored by Nadula Hair, and I am so happy that they sent over this body wave wig for me to try. I'm just showing you all the stuff that came in the box. So it came with 2 wig caps, this very sparkly headband, and you know it's not the straight one, it kind of has a little texture, a little detail to it. Then I got this other bag with, what is it? Oh, there we go. We got lashes, we have a scarf, and we have some hair clips that I've been wanting, so I'm glad that they put this in the box. And then we have the hair, and it is actually a 13x4 150% density 24-inch body wave wig. It's a frontal wig, right? It's not transparent or HD lace. It is brown lace, unfortunately, so I was a little bit stressed about that. It looked like it came pre-plucked, but yeah, just keep watching to see how I install it. So today I had Jinae install my wig. Big up Jinae, big bad ear dressed up for this install. Just wait until the end of the video to see how it turned out. But if you really want to support her and book her to do your hair, make sure you go follow her business page at Jinae Installs on Instagram. Yeah. My people. Yeah man, cut them out.
Shelby, don't do it yourself. Why?
Okay.
I get those goosebumps every time you come around. You ease my mind, you make everything feel fine. Worry about those comments, I'm way too numb, yeah. Just way too dumb, yeah. I get those goosebumps every time. I need that high, go down to the side. I get those goosebumps every time, yeah. When you're not around, when you go down to the side. Those goosebumps every time you come around. You ease my mind, you make everything feel fine. Worry about those comments, I'm way too numb, yeah. Just way too dumb, yeah. I get those goosebumps every time. I need that high, go down to the side. I get those goosebumps every time, yeah. When you're not around, when you go down to the side.
honestly. Honestly, I'm trying to stay focused. You must think I got to be joking when I say I don't think I can't wait. I just need it now. Let it swing my way. I just need some dick. I just need some love. Tired of fucking with these lying niggas, baby. I just need a thug. Won't you be my plug, ayy? You could be the one, ayy. Could start with a handshake, baby. I'ma need more than a hug. Girls can't never say they want it. Girls can't never say yeah. Girls can't never say they need it. Girls can't never say nah. Girls can't never say they want it. Girls can't never say how. Girls can't never say they need it. Girls can't never say nah. Oh nah, baby, give it to me like you need it, baby. Want you to hear me screaming, have me breathing. I don't need a reason, baby. I want it till you can't buy it. I can give it to you right, baby. I wanna be a healer. I can be real good. Please don't get these feelings. Hey, I need some love. Hey, I need some love. Hey, I need some love. Hey, and you can't judge.
You don't really call on me like you should. Think of how I roll through the hood. Problem put everything all good. My love, your nigga doesn't want smoke with me. Nah, no way. Trust me, it's all okay. Trust me, it's all. You just need someone that's calm and patient. Submit to domination. Arch back, deep stroke, white wine, we smoke. That's my best combination. You just need some dig with no complications. You just need some. You just need some. Late night attention.
Comfort. Sure, big up the eardress of shit. Big up the eardress of shit. Yeah.
16 missed calls. Sorry I was busy, but I missed you. If you see me ballin' in my bitch ball, my niggas.
So yeah guys, this is the end result. This is what it looks like. Big up my bad clean eardresser Jinae installs on the gram. You know what I'm saying? Big up the cameraman at Reese's Earthner, cause you know I saw me a tip, I saw me a go open that ear stuff. It's good better than to earth. Thank you. So yeah, if you like this video and if you want to purchase this hair, remember the link will be in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See y'all in the next video. Yeah.